welcome back to my channel. If you are stopping by for the first time, welcome. My name is Laifa and I am a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I take this daytime look into fierce look. So if you want to see how I transform the daytime look to this nighttime look, keep on watching. I'm going to be starting off with a bare face, and I'm going to go ahead and style my hair first before I go into the makeup. If you can see a scar on my lip, try and ignore it. I've been sick for, I don't even know how long was I sick for? 1 week. So I was sick for 1 week, so it left me with this, what's it called? Without blister. So yeah, so try and ignore that. So I'm going to start by styling my hair. You guys have already seen me wear this hair on this channel before. It's the same one I had in my previous video. It's from Yulisa Hair. They are water wave hair. Just in case you're too lazy to go to the video where I have the link to the hair in my description box down below. I'm still going to put it in this video. So I'm going to take a black rubber band and I'm going to attach two bobby pins to the ends like so. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the hair upwards. So I'm kind of doing like half up, half down. So I'll take all the hair in front up like so. So after I've taken it up like this, I'm going to start by using this first bobby pin. I'll pierce this into my hair. So it's going to be stuck in my braid, and I'll take it around like so. Then I'll now place this bobby pin in here. Ouch. Because I used the black rubber band, you can even leave it like that because it's not really showing. But I'm going to take a step further and take some hair from the back. Like this much hair. And twist it round. I know, I really like this half up, half down hairstyle so much. And it's just so easy to do and gives you this beautiful look. So I take another bobby pin and pin this. That's pretty much the hairstyle. Very easy, very quick. And this hair is really nice. I've been rocking it for a few weeks now. And I like it because I can just pour water on it and make it look like this. And sometimes I take a brush and I brush it so it becomes big, like it gets really big. So when I don't really feel like having that really big look, I just take water and pour into it. Sometimes I put in leave-in conditioner, but most times I just pour water. That's why I say I love curly hair. Like when you get good curly hair, low maintenance, like you don't need to stress yourself, all that struggle of having to curl your hair. Everything, oh god, it can be pretty exhausting sometimes. So moving on to makeup, I'm going to go ahead and do my skin, my brows, and I'm going to come back and do my eyes and my lips and switch it up for you guys to see. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. So for my eyes, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty new palette. This is the new palette that they just came out with. So this is what the palette looks like. It's really gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can see that with all the lighting. I'm going to be starting off with this color right here called Teddy. I'm going to be applying that color in my crease. I'm going to be using this shade right here. So this shade right here is kind of like an eyeshadow base. So I'm going to apply this first before applying whatever eyeshadow color I choose to go with. Although I'm not sure yet what color I'm going to be going for. But I'm just going to use my middle finger to apply that as a base. For my main color, I'm going to go into another Huda Beauty palette. This one is the Desert Dusk. And I'm going to be using this shade right here. Guys, please excuse how this palette is looking. I'm going to be using this shade right here. It's called Cashmere. I'm going to go back into that crease color I used earlier to blend this out. So that's it for the eyes. Very quick, easy look. I'm just going to go straight into mascara now and apply this on my lashes. So I'm going to go into lashes now. For lashes, I'm going to be using this one from Lady V. It's the style Underline. So you can see that it's not really long as compared to what kind of lashes I normally wear. So I'm using these short ones because this is a day look. So I can switch it up for the nighttime look. Now that I'm done fixing the lashes, I'm going to go in with white eyeliner and line my waterline. Okay, that just gave me like a Barbie doll effect. So I'm going to smudge a little eyeshadow on my lower lash line so I don't look like I'm sick. But the way I'm looking right now, I'm going to go back to that Huda Beauty nude palette and I'm going to use this dark brown shade called Raw to smudge my lower lash line. And I'm going to take mascara and apply on my bottom lashes. For this day look, I'm not going to be putting any blush. I'm just going to put a little bit of highlighter. And for my highlighter, I'm going to be using this OA Cosmetics Liquid Illuminator. It's a Nigerian brand and it's pretty bomb. So I'm going to go into the beauty blender I used, dab a little bit, and apply it on my cheekbones. And blend it very well. So I really like this liquid illuminator because it dries matte when you blend it in. So it gives that glow, but the glow is not so overpowering, you know. But at the end of the day, it's up to you what you like. I'm going to be lining my lips with this Minani lip stain in the shade Covet. Then for the middle of my mouth, I'm going to be using this MAC lip stain in the shade Back in Vogue. Now I'm going to put this Blood Cosmetics lippy in the shade Street, just in the center of my lips, in the pouts of my lips. So you can leave it as so, or you can top it up with a lip gloss, and I'm going to be topping it up with a lip gloss. So I'm going to be using the Fenty Gloss Bomb. So yeah guys, that's it for the day look. I'm just going to spray a little bit of Fix Plus all over my face. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. This is how everything looks now that I'm done. So I know this might be a bit much for some people, but for me, this is my interpretation of the look. This is what I would wear. I was going to say this is what I would wear if I was in a 9-to-5 job, but the truth is that I feel like if I have a 9-to-5 job, I wouldn't be wearing makeup at all. Because for me, I don't know how to do just powder or just eyebrows, just lips. I know I'm not doing makeup at all, or I'm doing this. So this is my definition of daily makeup. Alright guys, so I'm going to be switching this look now. Ordinarily, I will take off the lashes first before I switch up the eyeshadow, but I'm feeling a bit adventurous. Maybe I can get away with applying the eyeshadow without having to remove my lashes, but let's see. First of all, I'm going to be darkening my crease, starting off with this dark brown shade I used earlier called Raw. So depending on how the eyeshadow turns out, I might not even have to switch my lips. But let's see. So I'm always making sure to dust off the excess eyeshadow so it doesn't fall on the lashes. Next, I'm going to add this shade called Love Bite. It's a dark purple shade. Oh my god, that's the wrong color. This shade right here is what I'm going to add to intensify my crease. Then I'm going to take this brush. It actually came with the Huda Beauty palette. I've already started rocking it, guys. I completely forgot that the palette came with brushes. So I'm just using this to blend this out. Then I'm going to go into this next shade. This one right here, I've had my eye on this shade right here for a while now. It's called Daydream. Woo! Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the party. Oh yes, honey. I knew I was going to love this color. I'm going to tell you the truth, guys. I'm feeling very lazy to take off my lashes and wear it again. I'm really very, very lazy to do that. And it's like, what's the time? Oh my god, it's past 11 p.m. Wow. So yeah, it's like past 11. So I honestly do not see myself wearing my lashes, because wearing the lashes in the first place is a struggle. And I'm going to go back into that dark purple burgundy shade and blend it into this main color. Like so. So you can leave it as is, or you can decide to line. I think I'm going to line my eyes for this. So to line my eyes, I'm going to be using the Inglot number 77 gel liner. You guys already know. Alright, so now that I'm done with the eyes, I'm going to go into this lippy from Glam Girls. It's a bright pink shade. I just want to make the lips pop more. Then I'm going to line it with this classic lip stain in the shade Duke. So I'm done with the lips. You can see how easy it was for me to switch from the glossy lips to this bold matte lips. Usually I like to start with a subtle, like, okay, for example, this could actually work for a bride. For instance, she did a white wedding in the morning and in the afternoon she changed to her traditional look. Trust me, you're not going to have time. I don't know, some people seem to think that when you're doing 2 looks in a day, you're going to have to wipe up the whole face and start all over from scratch. But no, trust me, you don't have time for that. So even aside day to night, this could actually work for a bride. I like to start with like a nude lip, so that even if, like, usually I would take it off with what's it called? This thingy right here, Garnier Micellar Water. Or you can even use like oil. Yeah, you can even use like coconut oil to take it off, like take off the lips. But most times you might not even have time for all that, so you just have to layer on top of what you already had. So like you see, I had a glossy nude lip color, so it was easy for me to layer this on. Since it's night time, you might probably go to the lounge, from there to the club. Trust me, honey, you want to be glowing. So I'm going to go into this setting spray from Nia. Shake, shake, shake. Spray it all over my face. Guys, I'm sorry. I love setting spray. I can't explain this. Like, I would like to get rid of that cakey feel. I never like to feel like, when I'm wearing makeup, I never like to feel like, I'm not explaining that feeling. Like, there's how when I'm wearing makeup sometimes it's too heavy, I can't even squeeze my face. Like, I can feel that I have makeup on, but when I spray setting spray, like when I bathe in setting spray, it gets rid of that feeling. So for nighttime glow, hello honey, Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. Nobody else does it better for nighttime glow. Like, if you wear this highlighter to, say, the club, honey, everyone is going to notice you. Everyone is going to notice you when you're wearing this highlighter. At night time, this highlighter is just so gorgeous. Like, on a normal day, I don't really wear Fenty Trophy Wife by itself for day makeup. I like to wear a highlighter and apply this one on top of it, but for night time, I use it by itself. So before my face dries completely, I'm going to apply this. Do you guys see that? Tell me how you go out looking like this in the night and you are not going to be noticed. How is that even possible? Like, whoo! Hello? Hello? Can you see what's going on here? Oh my god, I don't know what's up with me and highlighter. It makes me so. And this thing, I mean, like, I haven't gone back into. I know I'm gonna clown now. I haven't blended it in yet. I haven't gone back into the panel. It's the one swatch that I use for both cheeks. Like, this thing is mad. This thing is mad. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. So I'm just blending it. You want to glow, but you don't want to look like a clown also. So you need to blend that in very well. And I'm going to go into this small brush and use it to apply on my nose. I don't even necessarily have to go all the way. You can just apply here and that's all. Then I'm also going to apply that highlighter in my inner corner. See how this thing just switched his eye to another level. Like, can you compare both eyes and see the difference? Beautiful! I'm so happy today, guys. Like, it's been a while since I've done makeup on myself and I've been this excited. Like, I'm usually just so, oh god, this is work. But today I think I've gotten my groove back, guys, and I'm so excited about that. So that's it for this look, guys. Tell me which one you guys prefer, day or night. I don't know, I'm so excited today. I didn't start this makeup tutorial upbeat, but I'm so happy that I ended it upbeat. Like, it's like almost 12 p.m. 12 a.m. rather, and I'm not even feeling tired or whatever. I thought I was gonna be feeling tired, but hello, how can I feel tired when I look like a whole meal, a whole full course, appetizer and everything? I'm about to break something because I'm excited. So yeah, guys, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Honestly, I'm not going to lie, it's been a struggle filming these days. Like, the motivation to film has not been there at all, and then I've just been so busy with work. But I'm so happy that today I had my groove. Like, I got my groove back, guys, and I'm going to try to keep filming as the motivation is there. Let me know who's the ginger, you know, the flow. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Like I said, this hair is from Yulisa Hair, in case you were wondering. I'm going to leave all the details of the hair in my description box down below. If you are not subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe and join the family. Please help your girl. At least if you are helping this ministry to grow, maybe that one will even ginger me more to be filming, you know. So yeah, that's it. I love you guys. We're at 64k now. Sounds so weird to see. We're actually at 64k and I just love you guys. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. That's it for this video. I love you guys. Bye. I'll see you in my next video.